All right, so this portion of the project, in terms of studs, should be clean. So we're gonna take my finger. Currently there's nothing on this. And this is, I don't know how accurate this is really gonna be in terms of like, but we're trying to eliminate dust. That's what our assessor wanted. He said no dust, none whatsoever, okay? So he did find a little bit in the trays. So as mentioned earlier, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, so we've done these trays. So we're gonna take our hand. And this is after we sprayed disinfectant on here. I'm gonna do both. So, still a little bit of dust here. So, I guess we still have more cleaning to do. But we're gonna continue over here, and then we're gonna probably do another pass of this, and we'll see what happens. That's crazy.